All right, guys, this is your first instructional video. So if you're watching this video, we've already had a face-to-face. In Teams, you've seen my face and I've seen a bunch of squares and it was weird and we'll get through it. You've already gone to Google, because we've done this in class, and you've already gone to Google Classroom, you've entered the class, you probably see some assignments and all that. Okay, so now one of your assignments will be to watch this very short video and create a Delta Math account. And just so you know, I have many dogs and kids in the house, so you'll hear background noise like, what's that? It's dogs. All right. So here's where you go. You go to deltamath.com. All right, deltamath.com. Press enter. Okay. Now, you won't have an account, I don't think. Okay, so you're just going to see a bunch of blank. Okay, you'll see something like this. Please sign in. Over here, you want to create an account. So you're going to create an account, a student account, and the very first thing it's going to ask for, what's the teacher code? Well, you go to Teams, bow, find your class, and the nice thing about the teacher code is every one of my classes has a different Google account code, Google Classroom code for their class, but there's only one teacher code. So you go to your class, no matter which class you're in. You might be in second period, you might be in third period, whatever. So you go, let's say you're in my second period class. You go and you look at the welcome that we've already talked about. You've already seen that. You've already seen the Google Classroom code. My Delta Math code is 457140. I'm just going to copy so I don't have to go back and forth. So that code is 457140. Bam, go back, enter it, skirt. And then this is it. This is how I create the account. All I have to do is give it a little information. Select my, okay, so which one of my classes are you in? You select the right course. Make sure you select the right course, okay? And if for some reason your class changes from my class to Miss Bukowski's class or from my second period to my third period, no worries. We'll sort all that out. Not the end of the world. All right, so I'm going to pretend I'm in first period coordinate algebra. You might not be in that. But you have to select a course. Select the right course. Put your actual name, okay? Now, if your name is Margaret and you put Maggie, that's fine. But don't put Little Boo Boo or something. I don't know who Little Boo Boo is, okay? So make sure you give me your actual name. Okay, so my name is Andrew or Drew, right? If your nickname is actually just a, shorthand for your given name, Spires. I'm going to put a dummy email address, but you have to put your S number email address. Let me say that again. You have to use your S number at decapschoolsga.org account. No other Gmails, etc. So I'm only putting in my dummy account just to show you how to do this. So Andrew B. Dummy. But yours should be DeKalb Schools. Okay? Put the email again to verify. Put in a password. And you press bloop, create an account. So let's do this. Andrew B. Dummy at Gmail. This really shouldn't take but about a minute. Put in a password that I will forget in about 2 minutes. My brain is feeble. Create account. Your account has been created. Okay. And when you go in, okay, so now you have to sign in. So now you don't forget your password. Andrew B. Dummy at Gmail. Yours is going to be S number at decapschoolsga.org. Boom. Pow, I save it on Chrome, and then you'll notice these are your assignments. Easy. This is what you're going to see, and the assignments will just be stacked on top of each other. Okay, so you'll see the types of problems you'll be working, how many you need to work. You need to work 5. When it's due, right? Your first assignment is due. I believe that's a Sunday, 11:59 p.m. Generally, if I'm going to make assignments, not always, but generally, they'll be assigned for a Monday, Tuesday class, maybe due Wednesday by the end of the night. If I assign something on Thursday, Friday, they'll be due by Sunday, 11:59 p.m. by the end of the night. Okay, but we'll talk more about that in class. But this is easy, right? Super easy. Your assignment's right there. You click on it. If you're in my coordinate algebra class, you're going to be just solving equations. That's our first assignment. If you're in my pre-calculus class, your first assignment is going to be factoring and solving quadratic equations so that we can get into the new material. And that's pretty much it. The purpose of this video was to show you how to create and get into your Delta Math account. Not all of your homework and assignments and quizzes and tests will be done in Delta Math, but a lot of them will. So you'll have a lot of Delta Math, which is good because it'll show you examples if you don't remember how to solve equations, right? It works them out for you. It's pretty cool. And you can work problems as many times as you want to. After you've gotten your 100, if you just want to practice, you can sit in here and work 5, 10, 100, 1,000. Every person in the class has different problems. Same types, but different problems. So you can help the students in your class, but you'll be doing your own problems. So that's nice. So it won't just be a straight copy fest. All right, that's it. 6-minute video. I know it didn't need to be 6 minutes. That's pretty long. I apologize. I like to talk a lot. But now you know how to get into Delta Math. All right. Get in there and finish that assignment, and I will see you at our next face-to-face. Be safe. Skirt.